Welcome to you on my YouTube channel Learn with Sidra. Today I have very important and daily use sentences for you. Must watch because it is going to be very useful for you. So let's get started. Don't make the child weep. Don't make the child weep. बच्चे को मत रुलाओ. It has been a good shower. It has been a good shower. खासी बारिश हो चुकी है. She turned up at the last moment. She turned up at the last moment. वो आखिरी लम्हे आ निकली. So let's get started. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. I might do that. I might do that. मैं शायद ये करूं. Something smells bad. Something smells bad. किसी चीज से गंदी बू आ रही है. Touch wood. Touch wood. कहीं नजर ना लगे. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. जो दिल में आए करो. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. I have got sprained. I have got sprained. मुझे मोच आ गई है. The wind is rising. The wind is rising. हवा कुछ तेज हो रही है. Spitting here is prohibited. Spitting here is prohibited. यहाँ थूकना मना है. I always look forward to your visit. I always look forward to your visit. मुझे हमेशा आपके आने की उम्मीद रहती है. How can I do this? How can I do this? मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ? You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. आप फजूल में परेशान हो रहे हैं. I know a bit about it. I know a bit about it. मुझे इस बारे में थोड़ा पता है. What the heck? What the heck? क्या मुसीबत है? Who knows? Who knows? कौन जानता है? I cannot handle this anymore. I cannot handle this anymore. मैं अब इसे और नहीं संभाल सकती या सकता. How can you do this with me? How can you do this with me? तुम मेरे साथ ये कैसे कर सकते हो? Don't you dare text me again. Don't you dare text me again. मुझे दोबारा मैसेज करने की हिम्मत मत करना. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. दूर हो जाओ मेरी नजर से. Stop chasing me. Stop chasing me. मेरा पीछा करना छोड़ दो. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. बस बहुत हुआ. Don't call his names. Don't call his names. गाली मत दो उसे. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. مجھے تنگ نہ کرو. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? تم ہوتے کون ہو؟ It's all because of you. It's all because of you. سب تمہاری وجہ سے ہوا ہے. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. زبان سنبھال کے. What are you? What are you? آخر تم ہو کیا؟ Are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? کیا آپ کا دماغ خراب ہے؟ Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. مجھے گھورنا بند کرو. What the hell is this? Or we can say what the heck is this? کیا بکواس ہے یہ؟ How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? اتنے لاپرواہ کیسے ہو سکتے ہو؟ Are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? کیا آپ کا دماغ خراب ہے؟ What do you mean? What do you mean? مطلب کیا ہے تمہارا؟ Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. شور نہ کرو. Don't pull your sister's hair. Don't pull your sister's hair. بہن کے بال مت کھینچو.